Heartland North Trail 26 LRSS for sale in La Mesa, New Mexico 88044. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2012 Heartland North Trail 26 LRSS. This luxury travel trailer is 26 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with one 12 slide-out and one 16 electric awning, as well as automatic leveling system both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2012 Heartland North Trail 26 LRSS is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove/oven, microwave, 2-way fridge/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with booth seating that converts into a bed for children, television, CD player, sofa with fold-out with queen-size self-inflating air, MattressShowerMaster, queen-size bed, storage, DresserBasement, StorageBrand, new tires, never been smoked in, and much more. This 2012 Heartland North Trail 26 LRSS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2012 Heartland North Trail 26 LRSS travel trailer can be yours.